we are about to launch something really exciting for Moocha Kombucha. We are in a new location, so let's go and have a look. Excited to be here at Belfast City Airport to launch our first ever Moocha Kombucha vending machine. It's in collaboration with Castle Vending, and we are here offering passengers a delicious alternative to keep them hydrated while they jet off on their holidays.
So delighted to have Moocha Kombucha here in Belfast City Airport as a passenger offer. We first met last year at the Balmoral show. It's great to see another local business represented here in the airport and give passengers that great choice when travelling.
That's actually really good.
That's really nice, actually. Yeah, I like that.
That's really nice, quite fresh, it's good. I like it.
I thought it was a bit more sour. You know, there's a good balance of flavours. It's lovely.
The cola's my new favourite flavour. If you haven't tried it, run, don't walk to get a taste of this.